good.
Try to keep a little bit to the right. That's it right there, not too. Are they coming down the gatekeeper, or what are we doing? Yeah, hold up, because we're coming up through the gatekeeper. We'll be up in a few minutes.
We're kind of held up here. Don't choose that line, huh?
I'm just driving it. Whatever he did, it's cool with me.
So far, so good.
Actually, he could have pulled in right behind. Is that the last? He's the last one? Samurai is the last one. Okay.
skid plate. Which side is it hitting on?
This side.
This side?
Just the edge. Not that much of it.
Yeah, how far is the guy behind you? I'm catching up to the last guy in our group. Scott Chadwick, he's behind us, but he's coming up. I don't know if he's got another group with him or not. Okay, everybody's moving now? I'm ready to help these guys here in a minute. I'm just pulling up to them. Stopped or moving?
Hit it.
Stop.
Yeah, I'm having a tough time in this LJ. Hold on. Hey, keep going in the same spot.
It's getting caught up in a hole. Go left. Dug a hole. Go hard to your right. If you're getting in a hole over here, you gotta rock to get under your. Maybe we're gonna go back a little bit. Hold it there. Hard on the right. Now go forward. You hit with this. You want to be rolling. You don't want to be stopped. Yeah. You're pumping. You're gonna hit both at the same time.
Come up. Just straight.
Yeah. Oh, hit it. There you go. There you go. There you go. Okay, back it up some more.
Hey, Scott, did you guys have trouble on Gold Mountain?
That's all right.
What we're trying to do is get that high up here, so we'll lift the wheel here. Okay, keep backing up. Now straighten the wheel out. Go ahead a little bit. Go ahead just so you can straighten that wheel.
Which way, left or right?
Forward. Okay, now straighten your wheel. Okay, now we're going to roll backwards again. Let's see what we got. I got it. Back up a little more. Not this one.
Missed up my opportunity. Oh.
Back up a little bit. Turn to the right. You want to cut that little slide off that rock.
Down to the right.
Right back up. I think you want to look through. Yeah. We got to get the front wheel back on this one. Try coming ahead again slow. Keep it up. Okay, now back up. Okay, right? A little bit more. A little bit more. Okay, now turn the wheel to the left. Keep going to the left. Left. Left.
Yeah, I'm trying to get it to go here.
You want to put the wheel right up here. Front wheel. When you start, you need to go this way. Keep rolling back and forth. You need to go this way.
back to see if he can help him.